We're going to do the PCR program CP831-31 ALS, taking up a 500 nanoliter sample and two 5 microliter reagents.
First, it picks up a little squirt tip, which we have standardized on because it is excellent for the wide variety of applications that this system is capable of. Then we flush out the new tip with liquid and take up a controlled volume of air. Now we're going to do what's called a PCR program here. So it's first going to take up 5 microliters of one reagent or primer, then a little air, then precisely and smoothly in its differential mode 5 microliters of another reagent or primer, then a little air gap, and then it's going to take a sample which is here in a 96 well plate, and in this extremely fine mode it's going to take up accurately and precisely a 500 nanoliter sample, which you can see at the very tip. It's then going to bring those precisely collected primers and sample to a site, and if you watch the tip very closely now, you will see the smoothness and precision with which this system is able to mix reagents, keeping them separated when you want. It just mixed the two primers and now they are lowering to engulf the sample. You can see that as the vigorous mixing from the DRD single mode occurs, homogeneity results, and then the mixed combination is ejected off. We're going to do this one more time now. Once again, you'll see the entire sequence. Let's get our little tip catcher here where it's going to catch these tips. Just a bit neater. Once again, we have taken a new tip. We're going to flush it through and take up a controlled amount of air. And you can see the dual resolution syringe there. Now it acted with the flow of a 2.5 ml syringe to flush things through cleanly. Now it picks up the other differential elements, and we're metering by differential now as finely as a 100 microliter syringe could meter. And with this superfine resolution now, we are picking up a precise and accurate 5 microliters of primer. And now we're going to go and do the same, and you can see the and now we're going to go to the sample, and we're going to take up accurately and precisely 500 nanoliters in the DRD super syringe differential mode, and then bring these forward, mix them in the tip, and then deliver them, in this case, to a 384 well. First, it brings them up, leaves the lone tiny sample behind, coalesces the two primers in case you want to keep your reactions separate, and then lowers the coalesced primers to engulf the lonely sample, and then in the vigorous DRD single mode, it mixes those samples, lowers them close to the tip, and blows them off cleanly.